the reasons for deletion also.
Let us see, suppose the final list itself gives some indication that what is added, what is deleted. Let us see first of all the format and how they come out with the final list.
Very well.
There are some typographical mistakes, like Mr. Yadav had pointed out on that day. The father name is not there, mother name is not there, still there is a voter. All these facts have come to the notice. We expect them as a responsible body that they will look into all these things, will come out with the remedial and rectified measures.
But my lord, if they were really a truly responsive and responsible body, then we would have expected them by now at least. 1st October, they gave some pre-final list. In that pre-final list, what are the new names that have been added which were not there in the draft roll or not there in the January 25
Where
roll?
comparison with the draft roll can show that, Lord, I don't understand. You
How
don't require
can I
any
compare
big
it to
statistical
searching
sense
a needle in
to
a
do it.
haystack?
You can do it, but you just want to, my lord, get some observation for the purposes of
Anyway, my lord,
narrative setting.
Forward,
Narrative setting.
we will, as the court has directed, let Mr. Dwivedi address the court, and then we would like to address the constitutionality, because that is the heart of the issue. And since SIR
But Mr. Bhushan doesn't want it.
we would like
He
to
wants
ask
to
you
divert everything to some publication or this and that.
Our written submissions are all the court.
What is the number of your IA, Madam Brinda? Just please.
491.
The top one. Hmm? 251491. So in IA number 251491 of 2025, this will be ordering that notice was issued in this application on so and so date. Then say Mr. Dwivedi Lund Senior Counsel for the Election Commission of India submits that though the issue raised in this IA has been responded in the comprehensive affidavit filed today. However, keeping in view the contents of the application, comma, he seeks and granted 2 weeks, 1 week,
Whatever time, Lord.
Well, it's 2 weeks.
10 days time to file the file reply.
No, that's
Next
for
one.
10 years time.
Well, there is another IA by me. I'm so sorry, Lord. There's another IA, Lordship issue.
In your IA, the reply has come.
No, there are 2 IA. Lord. In my IA, reply has come. One reply has come.
Wait for.
Lord, I'm just indicating what is my IA.
The,
My
Mr.
IA is that
Dwivedi.
Aadhaar cannot be, Lord, a part of the 11.
Mr. Ansariya, problem is that you don't read their reply. In the reply, they have said so. That Aadhaar is not the basis. What do
It
you?
cannot be, but then, no, that's why I'm seeking a modification of a Lordship's order
We
that
will see.
Aadhaar
We will
is
see.
Lordship has said, and a judicial order, Lordship has said it will be the 12 document.
We have said nothing. You unnecessarily only want to create a new item.
Lordship, there is an order by your Lordship, so why should I say, well, nothing, there is nothing in the order?
We have said so in the order that it is not a proof of citizenship. And therefore, we have said so. You only want because you have separate news items. should come.
Residence also. That is the one Aadhaar mandate.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you. Mr. Dwivedi, Lund Senior Counsel for the ECI, further submits that the comprehensive affidavit filed today has well responded to the issues raised in the affidavit filed by Mr. Prashant Bhushan on 8th October 2025, as well as an additional affidavit, as well as the contentions which were orally raised by Mr. Yogendra Singh Yadav. So let that affidavit be also placed on record. The उसमें ऊपर आइए में लिखते ना the copy of the reply in IA, Madam Vrinda, the reply in the IA may be supplied, may be handed over in advance, and this affidavit the registry directed to tag with the paper book. Post the matter for further consideration.
Because there's one more thing, Mullers. In our comprehensive affidavit which we have filed, we have brought out, Lord, how, Lord, they continue to forge documents and mislead the court false documents have been filed. If they wish to file a rejoinder, they may file to it, so that later on, my lord, they may not say that. That's all I want.
You
Let
can
them file.
file a rejoinder. The problem that is happening is the following, my lord.
Now,
Last
you can do
last time orally across the bar, your lordship was told that there is no such epic number, there is no such person. They took out one
This
affidavit.
this
that
is also misleading.
And
What
we
what
found
we said was.
everything is correct in that
Just Mr.
affidavit.
Bhushan, let me reply.
We have
What-
verified everything is correct in that affidavit
what?
except
No,
for
that's- this-
one
Ah,
slight
see.
misstatement, which was
Slight
he said that my name was in the draft roll. His name was
And
in
has
the
been
draft
deleted.
roll of January 25. Now, since the drop down index of both the January 25 draft roll as well as the August draft roll is the same, so he had checked that his name was there in the January 25 draft roll. That's the only thing. Otherwise, everything stated in that affidavit is correct. That he applied for his inclusion in Form 6.
Anyway, you
He
don't
was not
respond.
included.
If you don't want, don't respond.
That's
Later
all
on,
right,
don't. I will show that in this affidavit, Lord,
Liberty is also granted to Shri
further establishes the fraud.
to file the rejoinder
It's
to
an
the
admission of fraud
comprehensive
now.
affidavit, to the comprehensive affidavit filed by the Election Commission of India. A copy whereof has been supplied to them in advance.
May I make a request? One second.
Rejoinder be filed within 10 days. So both immediate after 10 days now, it will be November.
Your lordship will then need to hear it, because if your lordship is not asking them to at least provide these figures in your lordship's order today, then
We are, Mr. Bhushan, that's why if the matter is closed, then the things would have been different. Let us see what they disclose and what they.
that's what I'm saying, that if they do not disclose these figures which I had asked your lordship to direct them to disclose, then your lordship will have to hear the matter immediately
Yes.
after the vacation, immediately after.
want the matter to be heard, rather.
Because otherwise, my lord, Bihar election will become a fait accompli with zero transparency. Bihar election will become a fait accompli with zero transparency.
We will see what can be
May I make a submission?
done. We can take up at the, because 28th and 29th, 28th and 29th, there is a constitutional bench now.
Constitutional arguments to be addressed, if my lords can fix time, then that's to address, would be very good.
As far as we are concerned, well, just wanted to draw your lordship's attention to one thing. There was an entire cricket team on this side, as your lordships noticed when this matter started. And the citizenry, who are the three of us, were relegated to the background because the political parties were here. Now that the elections have been called, obviously they have disappeared because they are not interested
No,
in
they
fighting
never
these.
appeared, in fact.
I'm just
Earlier also.
bringing to your lordship's notice. This court was heavily relying on the representatives of those political parties to safeguard our interests. I just want to make it clear. None of us stand for any
We
of these
first gave
parties.
them opportunity, we called upon them.
Correct,
we
correct. So
Gave
it's
certain
best
directions
that-
to them.
Best.
Everybody knows
Correct.
how they have responded to that.
Exactly. So
Then
now,
eventually we have involved our own legal civil authorities what
exactly.
to do.
So my submission is this. This is a completely unconstitutional exercise. As we demonstrated to you, para and verse of constitutional provisions and the Representation of People Act have been thrown overboard. This enumeration document has appeared out of nowhere and has been imported in to try and give sanctity to something which is illegal.
Never
We have
earlier.
argued on this and it's never been done before. It's the first time that it's being sought to be rolled out. We have argued, we have completed our constitutional arguments on this. It is for them to respond.
In fact, my lord, one of
They
the
are
things,
also they are always willing to respond. The only
Correct. So
thing
if
that
you can
they
fix
are
a
not-
date for them to
I
respond,
want something to be disclosed.
Yes,
etc. So my
fine.
arguments are not
please,
happening.
on, Mr. Dwivedi is starting today.
Yes.
Yes, if he's starting today, then.
Mr. Dwivedi, you can argue on the legal
Yes.
constitutional aspect
Right.
on 4th November.
Yes.
4th November, my lord.
Because 28th, 29th, I have a constitutional bench now. I am with CGI. So that we go
Then
there,
your
then.
lordship can fix it at 2 PM on some miscellaneous day also, on Monday, Friday.
Starting today. Not possible.
Maybe.
But he's always ready.
4th November.
Miscellaneous day also. My court continued till 4 o'clock.
No, it does.
It has never happened that I get up, one of. 4th November, huh?
He's also missing in this.
Because unfortunately 5th November is
Would that be
holiday.
earliest, my lord?
No, Tuesday is all right. Tuesday, no difficulty. Tuesday we can adjourn other matters, urgent we can take. But third will be miscellaneous day and so will be 31st October. So we are immediate day which is available is only on 4th November.
Very well, my lord, but
Very well.
your lordship will bear in mind what I have just pointed out. That it's one issue is their enumeration form and
How
the
many
manner in
times
which
it
they've
will
done
be
this
repeated?
exercise, that's a larger issue. But there is something very immediate which is just pure transparency. We are saying at least disclose those lists. You have deleted some people, you have added some people, you have deleted some people by or for some reason. Give them the reason as to why they have
You
been
can do one
deleted.
thing, because meanwhile these lists will be published.
Yes.
Based upon that, you can prepare a brief note.
Oh.
And then on 4th, when we hear Mr. Dwivedi on the constitutional or legality part, after that, this factual issue can also be raised.
Yes, I think that's ideal. The legal issue, if it's dealt with, then I think that will bury any question of any of these factual issues coming
You
up.
can do that.
Yes.
Say on 4th November, just remind me a day before. We'll try to get the other matters adjusted on other
Agreed.
dates, except barring some bail matters or something. And
Very
then we will take up it on 4th November.
Yes. I'm grateful.
Then on that day, then you can start
Yes,
responding to.
yes.
On the last date,
Your turn will also come, but you will have to have that patience. But that's all.
all that I'm indicating on the last.
And patience unfortunately is not available in market readily. You have to, it's a self-created discipline.
That's what I'm doing, Lord. All that I'm saying is, the last day I handed over a note, Lord. My learned friend would respond to that also. That's all I'm saying. I've given him a copy on handed over that.
You can give your note to that, they will definitely.
And I've given it to him.
The note must be your written note submission also. Ah, very good.
Similar which I have handed over the last day. If I can give it again, Lord, I will read some.
No, 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 it's always on record, we don't misplace. Any other urgent matter because I have meeting.
Acha, there is that,
Grateful.
that railway